Measuring line segments.
Here is a line AB. We have to measure line segment. First, we will place a ruler on the line. The 0 mark on the scale is at one end, that is A of the line segment. We now read the mark on the scale which is at the other end, that is B of the line segment. Here the mark on the scale at B is 6. So we say the length of the line segment AB is 6 cm, that is 6 cm.
Plane figures. Square A, B, C, D is a square. It has 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It has 4 vertices A, B, C and D. All sides of a square are equal. That is, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to DA. Rectangle A, B, C, D is a rectangle. It has 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. It has 4 vertices A, B, C and D. The opposite sides of rectangles are equal. That is, AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. Triangle A, B, C is a triangle. It has 3 sides AB, BC and CA. It has 3 vertices A, B and C. Circle. A circle is a closed plane figure. O is a point inside the circle, so that the distance of any point on the circle from O is same. As for example, the distance OA, OB, OC and OD are equal. O is called the center of the circle and each of the distance OA, OB, OC and OD is called radius of the circle. It has no side and no corner. Diamond. Diamond has 4 sides and 4 corners. Corners are also called vertices. Perimeter.
The total length of the boundary which forms a closed figure is called its perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is 7 cm plus 5 cm plus 7 cm plus 5 cm, which is equal to 24 cm. The perimeter of triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA, which is 6 cm plus 7 cm plus 5 cm, that is 18 cm. The perimeter of square ABCD is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA, which is 5 cm plus 5 cm plus 5 cm plus 5 cm, that is 20 cm.
Line symmetry.
Each of the above pictures is divided into 2 parts by a dotted line. When the picture is folded along the dotted lines, one part will fit exactly over the other part. In other words, we say that both the parts are equal. Such pictures are called symmetric pictures. The dotted lines are called the lines of symmetry of the respective figures.
Folding activity.
Fold a piece of paper into 2 halves. Draw a shape. We will draw pentagon and cut it out. When we unfold the paper, the shape we will get is as before. The shape is symmetric about the crease of the fold since both halves are exactly the same. The crease in the middle of the shape is called a line of symmetry.
More than one line of symmetry. Some shapes have more than one line of symmetry. For example, a rectangle has two lines of symmetry, one horizontal line and other vertical line. And a square has four lines of symmetry, one horizontal, one vertical, and two diagonals as shown.